In this video, we'll design a 4-cylinder piston assembly in SolidWorks. We'll start with the piston head. Create a sketch on the front plane. Draw the profile. Add relations and set dimensions. Add a tangent arc to finish the sketch. Use revolved boss base to create the shape. If the axis is wrong, replace it manually. Create a sketch on the right plane. Use extruded cut through all. Add a circle on the front plane. Extrude it up to surface with a 19mm offset at the start. Mirror this feature from the front plane. Add one more circle. Cut it, and the piston head is done. Now let's make the piston ring. This part is very simple. Create a sketch on the top plane, draw 2 concentric circles, and extrude the sketch. That's it. The piston ring is done. Now let's move to the third part, the crankshaft. Start by creating a circle on the right plane. Extrude it using mid-plane. Now for the plate, create a sketch on one face of the extruded circle and draw the profile as shown. Then extrude it. Add a circle concentric to the upper arc of the plate. and extrude it. Now use Extruded Boss/Base again. Select Sketch 2 from the feature tree, and in the From option, choose Surface, Face, or Plane. Do the same for the other circle. Use Extruded Boss/Base, select Sketch 1 from the feature tree, and again set From to Surface, Face, or Plane. Now mirror the entire body. Use the Move Face feature. Choose Rotate, select the mirrored body, and rotate it 180 degrees along the x-axis. Mirror the whole body again using the right plane. The hard part's done. Now let's finish the remaining details. Add a circle at the very end of the shaft and extrude it. Create 8 circles using circular pattern. Then apply extruded cut up to next. Add one more circle on the other side of the shaft and extrude it to create the rod. Add a chamfer on the rod edge and apply fillets to all joints. The crankshaft is complete. Now let's move to the connecting rod, starting with the upper part. Create a sketch on the front plane. It may look complex, but follow the reference and it will make sense. Extrude it using mid-plane. Create another sketch on the front plane and extrude it again at mid-plane. Add a sketch at the bottom and extrude it up to the upper face. Add 2 circles and apply extruded cut. Add the required fillets. On the other face, create a slot and apply extruded cut. Mirror this feature from the front plane. The upper part is done. Now let's model the connecting rod cap. Create a sketch on the front face. And extrude it using mid-plane. On the upper face, draw a slot and apply extruded cut through all. Enable flip side to cut outside the part. Add another sketch on the front plane and extrude it at midplane. Create 2 circles on the upper face and apply extruded cut through all. Add fillets. This part is complete. Now the final part, the piston pin. Create a circle on the front plane and extrude it using midplane. Add chamfers on both edges. All parts are now modeled. You'll find the Part 2 link in the description.